Another staycation vlog na naman tayo mga millennials for today's video since it's Valentine's Day. Dito lang yan sa Maharaja Hotel.
Mga millennials, for today's vlog, we're here at Maharaja Hotel. Located at Villasol Subdivision at Friendship, Angeles City, Pampanga. So paano mga millennials? Let's G!
Sakto naman Valentine's Day ang pag-check-in namin dito sa Maharaja Hotel. Napakaganda ng hotel, malinis, very relaxing ang place. Perfect place to unwind, super cozy and relaxing ng ambience. Peaceful ang paligid and very relaxing ang atmosphere.
Mga millennials, dito ang poolside ng Maharaja Hotel. Ang marerelax kayo guys dito sa Maharaja Hotel. Alam mo yung mafe-feel mo talaga yung Valentine's. Isa lang to guys sa kanilang swimming pool. On the other side, meron pa silang swimming pool. Check din natin guys.
The front desk staff were very welcoming and professional. Check-in was smooth and hassle-free. Sobrang maganda ang experience namin dito mga millennials. Malinis at mabango. For sure, babalik-balikan talaga. Maharaja Hotel is one of the best I visited hotel. Table setting pa lang mga millennials, napaka-romantic na, and it's awesome! Super sarap na mga foods na hinain nila dito sa aming fine dining. At dahil nga nakarami kami ng dinner, mag-walking muna kami ni Habi para mabisita namin ang kanilang garden at pool area during nighttime naman. Peaceful ang paligid and very relaxing ang atmosphere. For inquiries, mag-message lang sa kanilang Facebook page. Don't forget to like, follow, or share this video. Love, love, love!